When you're using your pendulum, it's probably going to be cold at first. So make sure you warm it up. Just use your hands, rub back and forth vigorously. That way you'll get your energy into the pendulum. Okay, hold it for a moment. Now the proper way to hold it, use these two fingers, your thumb here, and hold it like this. Now remember to keep your elbow stationary because you don't want to be moving it yourself. This is all to be done by spirit. Now everybody's pendulum has a yes and a no. Yours may be different than mine. This is an introduction to this new oracle. Okay, Spirit, show me yes. Show me yes. Can you show me yes? Make sure that you're saying the questions out loud, not just in your mind. Spirit, show me yes. Can you show me yes on this new board? Can you show me yes? It's pointing to possibly. See, it's just being introduced to this new board. It's the first time, so it's just learning. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. I'm just going to let it swing around. I'm doing this myself so that the pendulum can see exactly where the different signs of the zodiac, the numbers, the months of the week, the months of the year, the days of the week, and of course the yes, no, possibly, check again are. Okay, let's try again. Okay, can you show me yes? Please show me yes. Can you please show me yes? Can you please show me yes? Can you please show me yes? Show me on the board yes. Show me on the board yes. Please show me on the board yes. Okay, you can see this definitely going towards the yes here. Okay, the pendulum is now learning this. It knows where the S is. So that's how you introduce the pendulum to a new board. Just a little tip for your pendulum use. I hope this was helpful. Thanks, my lovelies.